Alright, so boom. You're sitting at home, got a whole creative idea in your head, but you absolutely don't know what to do. Well, look no further. WeWantMoore.com is here to save you. We got a whole bunch of new options that's on the website, from video booking and photo booking. We even have a newsletter that tells you exactly what's going on in the world of We Want More. Make sure to check out the website, wewantmore.com. Let's make your next dream come true. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, we have to do the 1,000 sub giveaway that has been going on for like three weeks now. I know everybody's excited. Some people was hitting me up like, yo, when is it happening? And I'm gonna be honest with you, some of y'all like went really like above and beyond by like, you know, just going crazy. Shout out to this one guy whose Instagram, forgive me if I make a mistake, but it's almerk86. Shout out to you, dog, for like, you know what I'm saying, exposing this and like putting in mad people. But anyways, like I promised y'all, we're gonna get this giveaway going. So I have everybody's name on my phone. There's this app that I saw that kind of has like this wheel. It has everybody's name on it, including those who did the extra entries. I put your names extra times. We're gonna spin this. We're gonna see who wins, and I'll email you, contact you, however, and we'll get this thing rolling. All right. Okay. So we got a winner. I'm gonna show it on screen here. Shout out to the original Browning for winning the giveaway. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you so much for subscribing, supporting the channel, etc., etc. I will be contacting you personally, whether through email, DMs, however. But to everybody else that participated, thank you so much, so much. The support is real. Y'all don't know how much y'all mean to me. And of course, you know, nobody here is losers. So if you feel discouraged or you feel like, dang, I did all this and I didn't win, do not worry. I see the effort that you put in. So, you know, to those people that I'm talking about, I'll send like a personalized DM and I'll figure something out with y'all. But yeah, that's it, man. Next giveaway is happening at 5,000 subs. So get me to 5,000. You know what I'm saying? The bigger the subs, the bigger the prize. So thank you guys again. It's 2021, baby. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do this right. We gotta do the intro the way we've been doing it for mad long. Yeah. What's going on with you? It's your boy Shamar Moore, aka We Want More, for those who got me on social media. Now, recently on the channel, I've been getting a couple comments about you know, my setup, how I do YouTube videos, and I'm pretty sure these questions are coming off the basis that you guys want to start your own YouTube channel. Now, I have done this video before on the channel. It's called I think it was like the basics of making videos, which kind of went into depth of like how I used to do things, but obviously it hasn't been updated in years. So today, guys, I'm not going to only show you my setup, but I'm also going to show you guys how you can start your own, and also the editing process. But before we jump into this video, you guys know what to do. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It helps the channel out tremendously. And if you're not subscribed yet, like, what are you doing? What you doing with your life? Huh? But I don't want to keep you guys here too long, so we're going to jump straight into the video by showing you guys first my setup. Yeah, look at my field, look at my field. All right, y'all, so basically I'm shooting on the MacBook Pro. Well, not really shooting on the MacBook Pro, but I'm shooting on the Canon 7D Mark II. For those that haven't watched What's in My Camera Bag, I'm going to leave that link up there. But pretty much this is the main camera that I shoot on, and it's kind of sitting on like, you know, my business cards with like a little battery, just so I have that little leverage. Of course, I own a tripod, but that would just be way too much considering my room is a little clustered. To see myself, I plugged in an HDMI port onto my computer so that I can see myself on the screen, just to make sure I'm in focus, composition is right, everything is good. As far as audio, I have this little bad boy here from Fifine. I got this like 2 years ago based off of a sponsor. And I've been using this ever since. Pretty much I've been using this mic. This mic is amazing. It costs like 30 bucks. It's been with me for mad long now, and it still sounds like professional. And then for lighting, I have this ring light that my girlfriend recently bought me. Before I was using a softbox, which worked, but it was like kind of too big for the room. So this is not only smaller, but it's more brighter, it's dimmable, it has a remote, so I don't really got to get up much. And so, you know, this is my small setup, but it gets the job done for now. Now, as far as the setup, it's not the greatest, obviously, because, you know, there's not a lot of space. But for right now, compared to the videos that I used to make, this is a major improvement. Now, for those that want to start YouTube, but they're kind of discouraged because they don't have like gear like let's say a camera, like a DSLR or a ring light or something like that, don't be discouraged. I used to shoot on my phone, believe it or not, before I could afford a DSLR, because I understand how expensive it can be. But you can shoot on your smartphone. You could get a small ring light for like 20 bucks on Amazon. And even if you can't get light at all, like you're extremely on a budget, you can use natural light outside to work with your lighting. As far as audio, believe it or not, iPhones have like pretty good sound recording. There's certain vlogs that I shot on my phone that, you know, the recording sounded like a professional mic. It's not gonna be the best sound in the world, but at the same time, without buying a mic, you still have something that's pretty decent. But that's just the gear that I use. So we're gonna jump next into, after filming everything, after having the idea of the video that you want to do, jump straight into editing. All right, so now we've come to the computer side, pretty much the post-production after you filmed everything. I'm gonna kind of move through this a little fast because I know a lot of people don't know how to edit. Pretty much to give you like the basics of the basics, what I first do is import everything that I have. And so over the years, I've like grown into, you know, organization and building logos and all that other stuff. So when you're first starting out, don't worry about all of this stuff just because you don't necessarily have that. But for me, because I have a website, I usually put my promotion video first, just so that when people open the video, that's the first thing they see. So they kind of get a visual of like what I do, but also it's also tempting to visit that website, if that makes sense. So it's always a good thing, and whenever you have like a business or you have something that you want to promote, always put that first in the video, just so that people automatically gravitate towards it. Because let's say, for example, if you wait till like 5 minutes in the video but people don't watch up until 5 minutes of that video, then that promotion never gets seen. Whereas in the beginning, everybody watches the beginning. So I always put my promotion first, which you guys always see, basically about the website, blah blah blah. It's already set up, so I just easily drag it on to, you know, where I'm editing. After that, and this is the section where, you know, I put all of my pretty much all my files. So I have my promotion, I have the actual footage that I just shot, I have my logo, which is different colors for different things. So this green one is just for like miscellaneous stuff. I have like a tutorial logo, I have a ramp logo, I have a vlog logo. So depending on the type of video, that's the logo that gets dropped on. So then in the beginning of the videos that you guys usually see is usually when I say, you know, my name is WeWantMoore, aka WeWantMoore, which you guys saw earlier in this video. It's pretty much these two PNGs that I created in Photoshop. Recently I've loved this whole alphabet magazine ripoff thing, and so I created my name based off of it in Photoshop, which if y'all want me to show, y'all can comment down below on how I did that and I'll show you guys completely. I pretty much did this for my name and also my tag for my business, but pretty much those two get dropped on in the beginning. I don't want to go into great detail about editing just because, you know, I know that's gonna make the video like mad long and kind of boring, but pretty much those two are always there with me. And then I always have like a track that I get from Epidemic Sounds. Speaking of which, Epidemic, you know what I'm saying, if y'all want to sponsor a brother, I take it. I've been working with Epidemic, well, not working with them, but I've been using their services for about 3 months now. All the tracks that you guys hear on this channel, it comes from them. Even sound effects that I've been using quite a while now comes from them as well. But that's pretty much everything that comes on the file. In terms of editing, it's not much. It's just really just cuts. There's not any cuts on this video just because this video was already edited and I don't have new footage to show you guys. You know, whenever you're going through the footage, you always want to find, you know, those times where you said something wrong or like you had a long pause. You know, you can simply press the blade tool in Photoshop, I don't know, right here, or razor tool. Cut where you wanted to, you know, cut from, cut out that part. So let's just say here, for example, drag it up top and poof, is gone, and it moves like a regular cut. But pretty much I do that for like, I say 2-3 hours out of the day, just doing the first rough cuts. And after I do the cuts, you know, I go back a second time, listen to everything, make sure everything is clear. And then I get into color grading, which is up on the tabs. Sometimes I color grade, sometimes I don't, just because color grading not only takes up a lot of CPU on my computer, and my computer is not that strong, but it also takes up a lot of time. And so I usually play with like the picture profiles that's on my camera, but again, that's for like more advanced people. Obviously, if you're starting with a smartphone or you're just starting in general, you don't know none of this stuff. So literally just film. Don't worry about color grading, don't worry about adjustment layers and all that. That's mad work. Just worry about getting that footage out. And yeah, so once you are done editing and you have a video that you exported and it's ready to go, you want to upload it to YouTube. Now the last time I did this, I didn't really upload anything, and I can't really show you guys now. I guess you guys can figure that part out, but you pretty much upload it, you know what I'm saying? Have a YouTube channel, of course, that you've already started, and you just upload, type it in the descriptions. Tags is like the biggest thing when it comes to uploading videos, because you know, obviously everybody knows the YouTube algorithm is kind of working against you, and so you want to throw in tags that people are looking for, or that people are searching up. One great tool that I use is TubeBuddy. It tells me basically everything what's trending right now. I can type in something and it will tell me like if this tag is like good enough to rank on YouTube, and the more tags that you put in, the more that YouTube, you know, kind of pushes your video forward. So yes, pretty much make sure you have tags, make sure your title, make sure your description, make sure your video is interesting too. And if all those combine well and the algorithm works with you, you never know, that video could go viral and poof, the next thing you know, you got like 100,000 subscribers. But that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. We're still going up, but again, if you would like another giveaway to happen and you want to join in, let's get us to 5,000. So y'all know what to do. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment the next video that y'all want me to do, or just comment anything that you found interesting in this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, it helps the channel out tremendously. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.